A few weeks ago, St. Mary's International College came alive with joy, learning, and unforgettable memories as our campers explored, created, and grew together. Today, we look back at the smiles, the friendships, and the moments we already miss. From parents to students to our dedicated staff, the summer camp was truly a family. And as we cherish these memories, we look forward to welcoming new students into our community. Admissions for the 2025 academic year are now open. Take your next bold step with St. Mary's International College.
Hey, I must want to thank the administration of St. Mary. It's been a wonderful time from all the reports I get. 1 month with my daughter being away from home, it's really been beautiful because I see a new Elizabeth and I am grateful for this time that she has spent here. Yesterday I watched a video of her singing on stage. That was a breakthrough, that she could mount that courage to stand in an audience and present her song. So I want to thank the administration of St. Mary for all that they've done, the impact that they have on her life this past 1 month.
So I must confess that St. Mary's is a place to be. Out here it is formidable. I would like to start by applauding the effort of the proprietor. He has done a wonderful job. He has done well to think about Cameroon in the way he has done. It's really wonderful giving back to your community in this way. It is very, very impressive. Yeah, I think that judging from the activities I watched online and all of that, I think that St. Mary has created a real great impact on my daughter, Mercy. From the talent show of yesterday, I saw her performing, and I would say the confidence level was something else. Before she came to St. Mary's, her confidence level was not even 0.5 of what I saw yesterday. It was wonderful. And so I want to give a big shout out to the administration of St. Mary, the very warm and receptive Madame Pristel, and her wonderful team. They have done a real wonderful job, and I can see it from the output from my daughter. They have done a really, really wonderful job. And I promise that, God willing, she'll be here next summer.
This is a very special day for us as a family. My daughters came here a month ago, very sure of what to expect. It's the first of its kind. But we felt like they would benefit from an environment where they can make new friends, interact with them, learn new, get to learn things that they didn't know and get exposed to other opportunities. And we've been in touch with them, and that has exactly been from the feedback we've had from them. They have had the most amazing experience at St. Mary. They have been exposed to many things, but most especially what I feel they've had is that they have made friends. I would imagine that they have made friends for life. They have had to exchange, learn a lot of things. And so, yeah, I'm happy for this experience.
The way I'm looking at her, she's so fat. It's like they've been feeding them. I don't even know what's going on in this school. They just came for the summer camp, and I'm really excited because this is not how she left the house. And I believe that with the videos I've been having, I just believe that she has learned a lot, and the school has taught her a whole lot of things. And I cannot wait for her to show me and tell me everything about it at home. And please, this school, they should stop giving them so much food because the way she's fat, I don't understand. She's so fat, but I'm happy because there are 2 of them here. So they were just here for the summer camp, and the way I'm looking at things, they might come now as regular students. So I really, because asking her how the school has been, she said her teaching here very well per her former school. So I believe she's going to come back with her elder sister, and this is surely the place for them. What do you think?
I think it's a nice idea because the school, the foundation and everything about it looks nice. The way they teach and the way the teachers are kind towards the students makes the school look nice.
So are you guys going to come back? Will you like to come back, or will you want to go back to your former school?
We'd like to come.
Okay.
All right, so I have a mixed feeling about not being with them. A good one because at least I get to rest. But then I'm really happy. No. I'm really happy because when I came, I think a couple of days after to look at them, they were excited to be here. They were so happy. I like the activities that are involved in music. I saw them rehearsing for the cultural dance practice. They make new friends, which is a good thing. And I think Mike is happy too, right? Mm-hmm. Mike is happy, Michelle's happy, and we're happy. So I'm really grateful that there is St. Mary. It's a beautiful place to be. At least we get to trust the staff because they keep in touch. They check on the kids like, oh, they're doing well, which I like it. To have the opportunity to check on them even while we're not here.
I feel so happy, so proud,
Let me spray your body. Hold it.
I hope and I'm thankful to the proprietor of St. Mary, all the staff, that they should keep working hard so that next year or many years to come, as children will be coming, they should put their best to teach them. I'm so proud with Brian being my second grandchild. And here I'm standing with him in St. Mary. I'm so proud. Right, Brian? Okay.
Actually, I love the way I met her. She's glowing. She's looking good, so that's one thing I appreciate. St. Mary, from the reviews, from the group, the activities, I'm quite impressed. I'm happy and favor the way she can express herself now, because before she used to be very shy, so shy that she could not talk. But while seeing videos in the group, the way she expresses herself, the way she interacts with people, I'm impressed, and hopefully next year she'll be here.
It's a great feeling. It's a beautiful experience for the kids. They had a lot of fun. They had to meet new friends and learn new skills. So I think it's great, and we're looking forward to seeing them coming back here, either for the regular academic year or maybe next summer camp. So I want to say thank you to St. Mary. The kids had fun and they enjoyed their stay. So yeah, it's been great.